Time for our third guest star now, and we are spoiling you tonight. We've had rock gods, we've had funk gods, and now get ready for a pop princess. She's a worldwide star, a string of massive hits to her name with an exclusive UK performance of her new single. Please welcome to the X Factor, Rihanna.
Rihanna!
Hey!
Where'd you stop?
It's fun. I want some. It tastes good.
What have you done? What have you done to our stage? Are you gonna hang around and clean this up?
They're getting loud with the food.
Okay. I thought Lady Gaga
was weird. This is... listen, when's your album out? 15th, right?
My album is coming out November 15th. The single is out right now, and it's #1 on iTunes. Thank you, guys. I love you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the incredible carnage that is Rihanna. Okay, thank you so much. After the break, we have the results. One act will leave the competition for good. Don't go anywhere. We've got a lot of clearing up to do.